save, and we are done. Now, let's just say you wanted to change this a little bit now that it's a link. Let's see if we can do that. We can go here and change the font color maybe to a darker blue, and we can change the background maybe to a light yellow, and we'll make it even a lighter shade of yellow. Click on the white space again. So it's a clickable link. It's a little more noticeable, obviously. You may want to put your company name or whatever down here, or you may just decide that you want to delete it because you don't really need it. It's up to you. Okay, and then we have that extra line down there. Let's see if we can get rid of that. Okay, so we just have that one line. Now I'm going to click Save It. So I'm saving the blog post, which was created using the simplified template. Now I'm going to save it as my own template, Save As, and I'm going to put you call it whatever the heck you want. Just give it a name that makes sense to you. So now I've saved the template. I just happen to notice I'd like a little more space under the image. So I'm going to go there. And I'm going to save the temp and maybe put that comma after first name and maybe a little space there. And now I want to resave it. And the safest thing to do, now it's good that I'm messing around. So what you want to do is click up here to get back to the message, okay? And that brings you here. And now I'm going to save it as a template. Now just to be safe, I'm going to give it a completely new name or a different name. Latest blog post number 3. So there's zero confusion. This is the one that I like the best. And we are done. So this is actually, let's just click Save and Exit, or we can go Preview and Test. And this is what it would look like. If you want to see what it looks like in your own email, you would just put an email there, a name there, and click Send. Okay, and then you'll get a test email of this. There you go. Now, I don't want to keep sending out. If I click, or you can see that this is highlighted, right? So click over here, it kind of becomes a little bit gray, and what's actually in the email is right here. Now, I don't want this, how to create a Facebook cover, to show up on every email that I send out regarding my latest blog post. That would make no sense, right? Okay, so let's go back to, the dashboard. We're still in the same email list. I want to create a new message. Let's go drag and drop editor. And it's using, by default, this is the Aweber template. I don't want to use that template because I just created my own. Okay, so before I start doing all that, I want to show you that this is the article I want to link to this time, how to build your list on a budget, right? So let's click here. And this whole page is just about this one blog post. So I need to click here to highlight the URL or the web address that links directly to this blog post. Click Control-C, Command-C on a Mac, or right-click and copy. Now I'm going to go back here. I need to choose my own template, which is click on Templates. Make sure when you're creating a new email based on a template that you do not check Keep My Message Content. You want to make sure that is unchecked. Click on My Own Templates. Latest blog post 3. It looks like I've given that name to another template earlier, but this is probably the one we just created, which is fine. So I'm going to click Apply. And this time, right, everything else is pretty generic, except I need to change that. So I click on that. I don't want to delete it. I just want to remove it and add another one. I can upload it from my computer or from the image gallery. I'm going to go to My Images, and we're going to go to, I believe it was the next, and there it is. So I'm going to click on the white space to the right of it, and up here I can put okay, so I'm giving the email a new subject line. I'm giving it a new image, and everything else I can leave the same or change. Oh, wait, I need to change this link here. So let me click to the right of the button, and I'm going to click there, hit backspace, Control Victor, and to paste. And this is how to build your list on a budget. You can see that, and I need to change this link as well. So I'm just going to highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to click on the pencil. I'm going to hit backspace to delete, Control Victor to paste, save it, bing, da bang, da da boom, and we're done. So I like to save it here first. I can do a quick preview. I can put in an email and a name up here to test it. I'm going to save and exit. And now I'm just going to show you how to do a blog broadcast, which was step 4. I'm going to click on schedule. If you want to send a test message, you have another opportunity to do that here. You can copy it. I'm going to copy this, click. So now I have 2 in case I want to resend it and modify it. I can copy this email to another list. What I'm going to do right now is schedule it. Who should receive this? I have choices. Click on edit. I can include all lists except for this, or I can exclude all lists, or it's going to go to this list right here, all active members. Now, you also have some other choices, just people who signed up in the last 30 days, etc. So anybody who's an active subscriber on the anti-anxiety book list should get this. I want them to get it. When do I want to send it out? I'm going to send it out in the future. When should it be sent? Click edit. And today is July 6th, 2023. I want it to go out on Saturday because I want people to start out their day right. I'm going to do it 9 a.m. or 9:15. That's Eastern time. I'm going to click apply. Do you want to schedule the message for Saturday, the July 8th, 2023 at 9:15 a.m.? Yes, I'm going to click there. And that email is going to go out to everybody on that list. Now, this is a dummy list, so I'm just going to unschedule that because I don't need the email to go out to anybody. Now, one last thing, quick review. Okay, so what we did is I showed you how to create an email message using Aweber templates. Save that, modify that template, save it as your own template. Step 3. Then you're going to create a broadcast message using your own template, which would be step 2. And then step 4, you're going to schedule that broadcast message to go out at a future date and time. And that's all there is to know about broadcast messages and creating your templates and using Aweber templates. I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day. See you in the next video.